Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My least favorite task when it comes to getting ready is drying my hair. But I just found these amazing hair drying towels from M-bestl. I love these for a few reasons. For one, it's obviously not the size of a bath towel. It's specifically designed just to dry your hair. So it's really comfortable. It's not big and bulky like a bath towel is. And I'm no longer using two bath towels to dry myself off. So these have a button on the back and a loop in the front. So when you go to wind it up into a turban, you simply fasten it and that keeps the towel in place. So what I like to do is leave this on my head for the entirety of the rest of my routine. So whether I'm getting ready for bed and I'm doing my skincare routine, or if I'm getting ready in the morning and I'm putting my makeup on, this stays on my head. I dry my hair at the very last step. That gives this towel plenty of time to absorb lots of moisture from my hair and minimizes my hair drying time. These are made of a high quality microfiber. They're really soft and absorbent. Personally, I love anything that helps me save time and makes routine easier. And these head drying towels do exactly that. And that's my point of view.